everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to open 4 blaster boxes of 2020 Contenders Draft Picks basketball. Each one's going to have an autograph, but if you've ever opened this stuff, then you know your one auto is usually a lower tier player. It's possible to get something good, it's not very likely. I'm also going to go ahead and be honest, basketball is my 3rd favorite sport, so I don't know these rookies very well. I'm not going to pretend that I do. I know LaMelo, yeah, a couple of these, but like, not very well. Look for cracked ice. We're always looking for cracked ice and Contenders. Look for retail exclusive premium edition green shimmer autographs. Well, that would be nice. So, yeah, that would be sweet. Alright, let's get into this. I'm going to do all 4 boxes today because why not? Just because I don't know these guys, there's no time like the present to start learning. I did spend a little time last night watching some highlight videos from a couple of the rookies. But I've still got a lot to learn. I'm always slow to learn the new basketball class. I love football first, baseball second, basketball third. Here's the pack. So there's what they look like, which we've already seen this through. What product had this design? Maybe it was something that was in Chronicles. Holiday, Jimmy Butler. There is Mascots, Kentucky Wildcat. That is a Devontae Graham red foil parallel. I don't know if you can see that. Game ticket parallel. Chris Paul and Trae Young. Kevin Love, there's RJ Barrett, Ed Davis winning ticket, Josh Green front row seat, Kawhi Leonard and Russell Westbrook. It's funny seeing the rookie. I've opened so much Chronicles basketball that it's funny seeing those rookies in this product and the draft picks product. It seems kind of like, I don't know, late to the game. Anthony Davis, Carmelo, Bill Russell winning ticket. There is a Jeremy Lamb winning ticket red. LaMarcus Aldridge and Hachimura. Devin Booker, Durant, front row seat, Okoro. I did watch a video about him, although he played for Auburn, which is gross. There is a Markkanen red foil game ticket. Blake Griffin, and there's a Zion prospect ticket. JJ Redick. Beal, Michigan State Spartans mascot, Magic Johnson winning ticket, prospect ticket Jason Tatum, and prospect ticket Donovan Mitchell. Middleton, Embiid, draft class 2020 James Wiseman, winning ticket DeAndre Hunter. And we have Ayton and Thompson. Alright, last pack. This should have our autograph in it. Brown, Jaren Jackson Jr., Patrick Williams front row seat, and it is Quickly, Emmanuel Quickly, and that is a game ticket auto red foil. I don't know if they're all going to be red. Probably. I don't think they are. So nice. Curry and Towns. Alright. Next up, we have these boxes are slightly above retail. Nothing too crazy compared to basketball prices in general. Which right now, I mean, if you want to buy some basketball stuff to open, now's a good time to do it. The prices are down across the board, it seems like. But I'd say do it now for the season, the preseason hype starts. There's Ben Simmons. I didn't realize he played for LSU. But again, I don't know basketball that well, so. DeRozan, mascots, Kentucky again. Siakam, red foil parallel. Durant and Lillard. There's Ja. Oladipo, winning ticket, Ed Davis. Josh Green, front row seat. Bradley Beal, Devin Booker. Healed, Walker, Bill Russell. That we already had that one. There is Bill Russell red. Embiid and Redick. Wow, these packs are opening weird. They feel weird. Russell, De'Aaron Fox. Okoro again. There's an RJ Barrett red foil. Jaren Jackson Jr. and Chris Middleton. Siakam, Harden, Michigan State mascot again, Magic Johnson, Levine and Jaylen Brown. Drew Butler. There's a Wiseman again. This is a Nick Richards front row seat. Looks blue /99. So that's nice to see a numbered parallel in this stuff. Chris Paul and Trae Young. Yeah, that was nice to have one of the front row seats too. Kevin Love, RJ Barrett, DeAndre Hunter. Our autograph this time is, it is red. Maybe they are all red in the blasters. I can't remember. Ryan Woolridge. So nice. Leonard Westbrook. Well, I say nice. I don't know who that is. Maybe it's nice. Maybe it's not. Guess we'll find out later, won't we? When we see if Ryan Woolridge is worth a poop. Alright, box number 3. I want one of these green shimmer autographs. How about that? Move over. Alright, there we go. Alright, there's Ja again. Oladipo again. Oh! 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 Get that out of my hand. Yuck. Buddy Hield red. Beal and Booker. Buddy again. Walker. Danny Green winning ticket. I actually heard his name pronounced last night and I've already forgotten. But anyways, front row seat. Udoka. Azubuike? I'm trying to remember. I heard it pronounced. And I've already forgotten. My brain is so fried. I'm so old. Russell Fox. Jerry Lucas. There's a Josh Hart winning ticket red. Jaren Jackson Jr. and Chris Middleton. Siakam, Harden. Sorry, I just had a low battery warning. Hopefully this continues. Nick Richards, front row seat. Paul George, red parallel. Zach LaVine, Jaylen Brown. Guess I better hurry. I've still got a box to go. Of course, if it stops, I can always pick it back up. Guess I should have charged first. Holiday Butler, a Tennessee mascot. Smokey. Smokey's gross too. Goodrich winning ticket. Chris Paul and Trae Young. Although Smokey's nowhere near as terrible as that Auburn mascot. Love Barrett. Okoro Draft 2020. Leitner winning ticket. Leonard and Westbrook. And this should be our third auto. Davis, Anthony. Tyrese Maxey, front row seat. Mustafa Heron. Another red foil game ticket auto. Looks good. Aldridge and Hachimura. Alright. Last one. This is where I need my green shimmer auto, please, and thank you. Or a cracked ice parallel. That would be alright too. If I buy 4 blaster boxes, I think I deserve it, Panini. Panini says, spit on you. We don't care. Just give us your money, stupid jerks. Just give me that cash. We'll give you some cardboard. You go on with your mouth shut. Speaking of Panini, I did want to update everybody that I did send several of those damaged Elite cards back. It said you had to mail them separately. I didn't, so we'll see. I made the main one, the Icky Woods patch, so hopefully they replace that one anyways. We shall see. Okongwu Draft 2020. Jaylen Brown red. Carmelo and Kevin Love. But I did send several of the inserts back too. There was like a Tom Brady numbered. We'll see what they do. I'll try to remember to update everybody. Wall George. I just decided at the end of the day I didn't want him to get away with it. I mean, half that box was damaged. Brunson winning ticket. Tilly front row. Durant and Lillard. Although again, it was kind of hard to complain about that Icky because that was like a bonus hit, I guess, because there was 2 jerseys in there and there was only supposed to be 1, so still, I don't know. Simmons, DeRozan. There's Georgia's mascot and the Duke Blue Devils mascot red foil version. Bradley Beal, Devin Booker. Ja Oladipo. Brewer. That is a Chris Paul red. Embiid, Redick. It's a race against the battery. Healed, Walker. Meldon, front row seat. Kemba Walker winning ticket. Jaren Jackson Jr. and Middleton. Russell, Fox. Cassius Winston, front row. Mascot of North Carolina. Levine, Brown. Last pack and last auto. We're going to get a cracked ice or a green. It'll have to be here. Siakam, Harden, Walton, Jake Tolson, So no parallel auto. Chris Paul, Trae Young. That's it. Not bad. About exactly what you would expect from 4 Chronicles basketball draft blasters. So, I don't know. It's a fun break. I used to be disappointed when I opened Contenders Draft, but now that I know really what to expect out of it, then I think it's pretty cool. So, anyways, that's it. If you're going to open this stuff, that's what you can expect to see. Everybody take care. I love you. See you again soon. Bye.